In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a previous version of a Confluence page. If you've ever made edits that didn't quite work out, or a teammate's change needs to be rolled back, restoring a previous version is quick and safe. We'll walk through it from start to finish so you know exactly what to expect. First, open the Confluence page that contains the changes you want to undo. Make sure you're on the correct page by glancing at the page title and space, and take a moment to review the current content so you're clear on what needs to be reverted. If your site has multiple spaces or similar pages, confirm the breadcrumbs at the top match what you intend to restore. Next, look for the three-dot menu at the top right of the page. Depending on your Confluence version or theme, this may be labeled as More Actions or Page Options. Click that menu to reveal additional tools related to the page. From that menu, choose Page History. This opens a chronological list of every saved version of the page. You'll see version numbers, timestamps, and who made each change. Many teams also leave version comments during edits, which can help you quickly recognize major updates or fixes. Now find the older version you want to restore. Scan the dates and authors, and if version comments are present, use them to zero in on the right one. If you're unsure which version is correct, you don't have to guess. You can compare versions if needed. Open the comparison view to see differences highlighted between two versions, or between an older version and the current one. This makes it easy to spot added paragraphs, removed sections, or formatting tweaks so you're confident you're selecting the exact content you want to bring back. Once you've identified the correct version, click Restore this version. Confluence will ask you to confirm. Restoring doesn't erase history. It simply creates a brand new version that matches the older content. That way, you can always go forward or backward again later if necessary. After you confirm the restore, take a moment to check that the page returned to the correct version. Read through key sections, verify that headings and images look right, and ensure any important details you expected to return are now present. If something isn't what you intended, you can revisit page history and select a different version to restore. That's all there is to it. By using page history to compare and then restore, you can confidently undo unwanted changes while preserving your team's full edit trail.